In the previous part, we have installed Laravel UI with Bootstrap. In this part, we are going to install Laravel Breeze in our application. So let's open our application. In here, I have already undo all the changes that I did with the Laravel UIs. Now we are going to install the Breeze. So one thing that I have to mention, install Laravel Breeze in a freshly installed Laravel application. In here, I already have some codes in my Laravel project, so it will get replaced in the web.php. So before that, we have to copy this if you need your code. So let's start by installing the Breeze. Again, you have to install Breeze in a newly installed Laravel project, not an existing one. So let's start by typing composer require Laravel / Breeze -- dev. Enter. Now let's wait for the installation to finish. Okay, the installation is finished. Now we have to type PHP artisans. So let's clear it first. Now let's type PHP artisan breeze : and install. Now it's asking us which breeze stack we would like to install. So in my case, I like Blade. So I will type Blade in here. Enter. Would you like dark mode support? Yes. Which testing framework do you prefer? So for now, we will just say paste. Enter. Let's wait. Okay, the installation is finished. Let's clear this. Now we have to type PHP artisan migrate. Enter. After that, npm install. Enter. And finally, everything is set. So for at the end, we will type composer run dev. This will run npm run dev and PHP artisan serve both commands. Now let's go to this URL. Okay, so our package Laravel Breeze as installed. We can log in, register. So let's register, and in here let's give him a name for, like, for example, tester at gmail.com. Let's give him a password. Register. So we have successfully registered. Now we can see our dashboard. Even if we want, we can see our profile as well, and we can update our name and email. Even we can change our password, or if you want, you can delete your account as well. So this is how we can install Breeze in our Laravel application.